Hello friends, my name is Raza Masood. Today we'll discuss about the topic trend analysis. Friend, this is an important topic with respect to project management or PMI, project management body of knowledge. We will see this topic in detail. Friend, if you are studying project management in any university or you are planning to give exam of PMP, so this is an important topic for you, and you will see this topic in the exam. So you must have to understand that what does it mean by trend analysis and what its implications in project management or general implementations of things. Also friend, if you are a professional project manager and working in any organization, so as a professional project manager, again this is an important topic for you. Friend, here I just want to tell you that trend analysis is a general thing. However, we use this technique in project management as well. However, trend analysis is a general technique. So friend, coming towards our main topic, first of all I would request to please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell option as well, so that my new videos can reach to you. So let's start. Trend analysis. See friend, here there are two terms: trend analysis. For example friend, someone says to you that, for example, the baggy shirts, for example, baggy shirts nowadays in trend, in fashion, and it's a very common thing nowadays in fashion, for example. Or someone says that long hairs nowadays very common in trend and people like, and it's a normal and a very popular trend nowadays in fashion. So what does it mean by trend, friend? Here just think, first of all try to understand the trend mean. Trend means friend, when people start following something, it will become a trend. Okay, for example, maybe you have seen something on YouTube like trending. Trending means like some trend is going on, people are discussing something virally, and people are talking about something, so it become a trend. Okay, so trend means that people start following something and they want to discuss about it, it becomes a trend. Something like, for example, uh, people like, for example, just want to just take it as an example, like people like brown shoes at some moment, at some time of moment, so it becomes a trend in fashion. Okay, just take it, please take it as an example, just so people start following it. Also friend, sometime it happens that uh, some style of hairs, like any popular Hollywood hero takes some style of hairs in very popular movie, and then it become a trend. Trend means like people start following it. So friend, trend analysis means that you are analyzing the data. Okay, you are analyzing the data, you are analyzing that what people are actually doing. Okay, so that is called as trend analysis. Simply just try to understand, trend means that what they are doing, and based on that you analyze the things. It is generally I am talking right now. Now coming towards more specific, that what is trend analysis. Friend, trend analysis is a technique used in technical analysis that attempts to predict the future based on the historical information. See friend, here now we talk about more specific. Friend, trend analysis means that you analyze the historical data, what does happens in the past, and based on the historical data you can predict about future. For example, in the past it happens that ABC stocks always down in the month of July. Well, let's take it, just take it as an example. In the past, the 5 times it happens that every year in the month of July, ABC company stock decrease in the month of July. So that means it is expected that in the month of July it again decrease. Okay, I'm just giving you a trend, and based on the trend analysis you can predict something. So trend analysis means friend, that you analyze the historical or past data, and based on the past data or historical data you can predict about the future. That is called as trend analysis. Okay, so friend, normally basically what happens, that trend analysis technique can be used in project management, in stock management. For example, how it can be used in project management, like trend shows you, like for example, uh, trend shows you, like since from 1 year people are more investing in mobile applications as compared to website development. So you can say that from since last 1 year people are more investing in the mobile application as compared to website development. So in the next year it is expected that this investment will increase in the mobile application and the investment in website development will decrease. Like people are more interested to make the mobile applications and they are less interested to make the websites. Okay, so investment in mobile application is more beneficial as compared to the website development. Okay, how if we came to that decision, or how we came to this conclusion? Because based on our historical data, based on the past information, we have analyzed that number of applications of mobile are increasing with a very big ratio, and the number of websites are decreasing with a very big ratio. So that means, because people have, the trend shows you, if we draw a graph using any Excel or any other tool, it shows you clearly that since 1 year people are investing and developing more mobile applications rather than developing the website development. So based on that information, past historical information, we can predict that this trend will increase, it will follow in the next year as well. So that is called as trend analysis. Similarly friend, just take another example here. For example, you are working as a, like for example, just for example, you are working as a stock expert, and you have analyzed that ABC company stock is increasing since last 7 days, and the history or past information shows you that whenever the stock increase of ABC company for last 7 days, it will last for about 3 months. Just take it as an example. Like since 3 years or 4 years, it happens that whenever the stock of ABC company continuously increase for 7 days, it will last for the next 3 months. It is just a historical data or past experience. So you can predict that because it happens in the 4 years continuously, it happens that if ABC stock company stock increase for 7 days, it will last for the 3 months increase. So we can, it is more beneficial, it is more chances that you can invest in the ABC stock. Why? Because the trend analysis, because the trend shows you that the ABC stock increase for 7 days, and whenever it increase for 7 days, it will last for the next 3 months. So based on the historical data, based on the past data, we can predict the future. So what is basically trend analysis means? That it is the analysis of the past and historical data. We analyze that what happens in the past, and based on the past and historical data, we can predict about the future. It is very important technique friend, and remember one thing, there are number of error chances are there. There are chances that you may predict wrongly or you may predict totally wrongly. There are chances. However friend, see, by using the trend analysis, it can be beneficial for you, and it can be helpful for you to take the decisions, especially trend analysis technique used in the stock management, project management as well, because it gives you a trend, it gives you knowledge. Trend analysis is a general technique. Remember one thing, that it is a general technique, and it is not specific to only to the project management. Now friend, we can talk about the advantages of the trend analysis. First of all, trend analysis helps the analyst to make a proper comparison between two or more firms over a period of time. It is very useful, and Also you can measure the profitability as well. For example, you can compare two or multiple firms. It is usefulness. Also you can compare the profitability of an organization. Like for example, if the last year company profit, for example, was, let's suppose, like $50,000 was the profit. So now you are expecting, like, since every year, like since 5 years you are increasing for 20% profit, so you are expecting that next year as well you are expecting 20% at least profit. So friend, basically based on the trend you can analyze, you can predict about the future. Also friend, the disadvantage of the trend analysis is that because it is based on historical data or past information, so there are chances of errors, there are chances of problem, and you may predict wrongly, because past things not necessary that can be useful in the future as well. This is not necessary, it can be a wrong decision as well. So there are high number of chances that a decision can be wrong. However, trend analysis means that you analyze the historical or past data and you predict and take the decision about the future based on the past or historical data. So that is called as trend analysis. So friend, thank you, thanks a lot for your time, and that's all from my side. Thank you, thanks a lot for your time. Thank you.